Hi guys, I'm Rob, higher level maths teacher here at Grinds 360, just taking a look at the new Casio calculator. That if you're a Casio user, you probably have been using or may still be using this calculator here. It's the FX83 or 85 GTX. It's a great calculator, it's the one I use with my own students. But you may be aware that during last year, Casio came up with a newer version of this calculator, an updated version, this one here. The FX83 or 85 GTCW with tinted windows, alloy wheels, bucket seats and the textured finish. So this is the newer version of the Casio calculator that a lot of you may be using. And almost overnight, they removed all of these calculators from the shelves everywhere and replaced them with the updated version. So what that means is if you have been using this calculator, the GTX, and at any stage during the year you have to replace your calculator because it gets lost or broken or the battery runs out, you're probably going to find it very difficult to find a replacement copy of this one here. You're probably going to have to update the new calculator. So I think we're all still getting used to this new calculator here. It's pretty much the same machine. It doesn't do anything that the old one doesn't. It doesn't play Ireland's call if you get a question right or anything like that. That one thing I have noticed is that one or two of the procedures that were very quick and simple, just button pushes on the older calculator, like switching a fractional answer to a decimal answer, or finding a binomial coefficient, are no longer quite as straightforward in the newer version. You have to actually go in and access a menu to make this happen. So what I said we'd have a look at here is just take you through some of the procedures that you need to be able to carry out in your calculator and how you do them on this newer version of the Casio. And you really then need to practice these procedures. Because if you're in the dark jungle of a Leaving Cert higher level maths question and you have to do a calculation, you want to be able to just go bop, 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 and get your answer very quickly. You don't want to break your flow by having to stop and spend 2 or 3 minutes chewing your pencil to try and remember how you carry the procedure in your calculator. It should be second nature, and that means it needs to be practiced. So I'll just talk you through the key things you should be able to do on your calculator, and then I would strongly recommend you practice them.